Hi, my name is Corey Samuel, and in this video, we're going to learn how to connect our phones and our helmets to the BMW motorcycles with either the 6.5 TFT inch screen or the new 10.25 inch screen. I want to say a huge thank you to Moto Ohio European Motorbikes in Central Ohio. They've graciously let me come in and demonstrate this on two of their brand new machines, beautifully decked out in red, white, and blue. I'll be demonstrating on a 1250 GSA and a K1600 GT. There are two different types of TFT screens when it comes to BMW. The 6.5 TFT screen, which is typically found on the GS 1250, the F series, the S1000, the M1000, and a few of the 1250 RTs. The new 10.25 inch screen has been installed on the new K1600s in the entire line, the R18 Transcontinental, the R18 Bagger, and some of the 1250 RT versions have the new 10.25 inch screen as well. Those have inbuilt navigation that come from the phone, and the 7.5 will typically come set up for GPS with a Garmin. So I'll show you how to connect your phone and your helmet to everything. When it comes to connecting the phone and your helmet to the motorcycles, the motorcycle needs to be the hub. So everything needs to connect to the motorcycle instead of each other. So we're going to connect our phone to the motorcycle, our helmet to the motorcycle, but we're not going to connect our helmet to our phone. That creates a dual output source where the phone is going to have to make a decision on where it sends its music and where it sends its navigation directions, and typically it's not going to make the choice you want. So we're only going to give it one choice. We're going to tell the phone to send everything to the bike, the helmet to listen to everything from the bike, and then the bike will be the main hub. The only exemption to that is with the Garmin SatNav, we are going to connect the phone to the navigator for data only, and I will show you how to restrict that connection to data only. This will get you live traffic and live weather on your Garmin. Let's start with the more common option, the 6.5 inch TFT screen, commonly found on the GSA, the F series, and the S1000 series. So here we are at the main screen of the 6.5 inch TFT. In order to connect to your phone, we're going to go into the menu system, come all the way over to the right, go into settings, go down to connections by rotating the selection wheel down. And you'll see that we have nothing connected. So what you'll do is you'll end up just pushing the wonder wheel to the right for mobile device. It'll ask you to pair a new mobile device. Make sure your phone is in Bluetooth discoverable mode, and then activate the pair new mobile device. This will look for a device. It finds it. You'll move the wonder wheel to the right one more time to confirm it. You'll confirm all of the prompts on the screen and on your phone. If it prompts you for access to your contact book or anything like that, please confirm that on your phone. It's different for each model. Now that we have a mobile phone connected, we need to pair our rider's helmet. Put your helmet into Bluetooth connectivity mode and pairing phone mode. Depending on your helmet communication, this is going to be different for each model. When your helmet is in pairing mode, you will pair a new helmet just as you did with the phone. It will search for the helmet. Your motorcycle will see your helmet in pairing mode. Go ahead and wonder wheel to the right to confirm. And now your helmet is connected. Once you have a phone and a helmet connected, more options become available to you in the main menu, such as telephone, media, and navigation. Now that you have everything connected, you can play media through your phone and it will come to your helmet through the motorcycle. If you connect a rider's helmet in the same manner that you did with this, your rider will now get the music that you play through your phone. The motorcycle does act like a hub for media being played from your phone. The motorcycle does not act like a hub for communication. You will still need to pair your helmets together for rider communication while you're riding. Let's move on to connecting your phone to the Garmin SatNav for data only. Here we are at the main screen of the Garmin Navigator for the BMW Motorrad bikes. To connect to your phone, you'll be going into Settings, Bluetooth. You'll scan for devices. Make sure your phone is in Bluetooth discoverable mode. When it finds your phone, select it, hit OK. Confirm the prompts on your phone and on the GPS. And it will proceed to connect to your phone. You do need to have the Garmin Link app installed to receive data for traffic and weather. Once your phone is connected, you'll see it here. You'll come into this. You'll make sure that phone calls is not checked, that media is not checked. And we want to make sure that the smartphone link is checked. This is how the Garmin receives data about weather and traffic information. After that, you'll set your Garmin up to display that however you want. Now we'll move over to the 10.25" screen. This is found on the new 2022 K1600 line. This is also found on some of the newer 1250 RTs and the R18 Bagger and the R18 Transcontinental. Here we are at the main screen of the 10.25" TFT. To connect to your phone, this is going to be similar to the 6.5" TFT. We are going to go into our settings menu. We are going to go down to connections. We're going to connect a mobile device. Make sure your phone is in discoverable mode and click Pair a new mobile device. It will find your phone. You'll go ahead and wander wheel to the right to confirm. Acknowledge any prompts on your phone and on the bike. And now your phone is connected. After your phone has been connected, to connect your helmet to the motorcycle, scroll down to rider's helmet, wander wheel to the right, make sure your helmet is in phone pairing mode, and pair a new rider's helmet. It will search for your helmet. Once it sees it, wander wheel to the right to confirm. It will link to your helmet. And now your helmet is connected. If you want to connect a passenger's helmet, you'll scroll down and you'll follow the same exact procedures to connect a second helmet to the motorcycle. The motorcycle will act as a media hub, so music you play from your phone will be heard by you and your passenger. The bike does not act as a communication hub, so you will still need to pair your helmets together independently for communication while you ride. This is a media hub only. With this, you'll notice that there is no mount for a GPS. The GPS is handled from the BMW Motorrad Connected Ride app. You'll see with this icon down here, it is connected. And if I come up to my main screen, if I wander wheel to the right, I can now split this into a 2/3, 1/3 menu. And if I scroll over, you'll see that it does load the maps of where we are in the preferred color scheme. This is how you connect everything to a 10.25" TFT screen for BMW. After this, you are ready to ride. This is not the only way to connect to these motorcycles, but this is the way that has consistently worked for me. It works every time I turn the bike on, and it's been extremely reliable, and it has just been something that I don't have to think about anymore. This has been a walkthrough on how to connect your phone and your helmet to the BMW motorcycles. I hope this has been helpful and informative. And again, I want to make a huge thank you to Ohio European Motorbikes in Central Ohio for allowing me to demonstrate this on two brand new, beautiful BMW motorcycles. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Or if you have any suggestions for other videos that you would like to see about BMW motorcycles, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.